What's going on, people? It's your boy Curbs back again with another trade breakdown for you guys. Uh, this trade was actually I took this trade 2 days ago or yesterday. Sorry guys, I kind of fell asleep today. I felt so tired, so I rather just sleep it off. And after that, I had some energy for me to make some video for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and analyze this and what did it explain to you guys what I saw for what they was that. I think it was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday was my last trade. Today I didn't really like trading Wednesdays because the last time I lost, last week I lost, and the previous weeks that I started trading Wednesdays, I always lose. I don't know why. It's just like I always take it always takes my money, in Wednesday. So it's better avoiding and keeping myself cash in rather than taking it back to the markets and allowing them to take my money back. So yeah, starting with Tuesday before 9:30 open, as we can see, it's very textbook. This was we have this uptrend coming up over here on the 5 minute time frame. The thing about my strategy is that I focus on what's happening right now before 9:30 opens. I see that we have an uptrend over here. That's why I put this trend line coming up over here with this liquidity, giving us liquidity on this trend. So I was initially looking for that trend to get broken and really pursue this liquidity out here. But that's actually the opposite that what happened, because we also have resistance coming up from the top all the way over here, and more importantly, we have a resistance in our 5 minute time frame right before market open, right? So right before market open, we have our resistance already marked up, and once that resistance get broken, that's when I initially traded this movement. So we got a resistance right here, and we saw it break on 9:30 open. But the thing is, I think what I remember is I traded MNQ first, the micro contracts on MNQ, and then I got stopped out and break even on that. Basically the same setup. Um, excuse me. And as we can see over here, wait, was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. Look. So I saw this resistance right here. We got this trend line right here. Once it breaks either one of those confluence, we got ourselves a setup, right? What I did was entered on a 15 minute stop loss over here. Actually, no. Yeah, I entered over here. Stop loss right over here. I think I entered over here. MNQ. Yeah. Entered over here. Stop loss right on this wick. But the thing is, once it hit 1 to 1, it came back down and stopping me out because I was on break even. So it came up 1 to 1, and I always break even on 1 to 1 or just right above 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, 1 to 1.25 or 1 to 2. That's when I actually break even, because I don't like getting stopped out on a loss. While like on my trades, it's either I break even or TP. You know. Plus, I have 2 trades for the day, and really just being specific on days that I can trade and whatnot. Those type of that type of details in my strategy is what gives me a good percentage of wins, right? So how much did I get in this trade? It's a thousand. I think 1,240 for one account. So let's see what see this account. Got this. So this is a prop firm. and we got ourselves 1,040 right here in this trade. 1,240. That's one account. So yeah, in our futures account, we only got like 300, I think. See, it doesn't show no more because yeah, it doesn't show no more because wait, let me look it up. My bad, guys. My glass is kind of weird because I fucking fucked it up. Look at this shit. Fucked it up. Okay, I'm gonna search it up on. My bad. Yeah, I like doing this trade breakdowns because it's very, very raw. I don't like to fake my shit. You know, I'm a real trader. You know what I mean? I execute just like a real trader. I don't really care if people really judge me with this. I trade futures and forex. I try to milk the forex prop firms and the futures prop firm with my own way of trading, and let's see how these go. And documenting this will be really fun. You know what I mean? All right, where's my thing? So I gotta sign out to TradeAway so for me to just show you guys the statistics of that day. I just want to see. My bad, I wasn't prepared. I was like, yo, let me just record. Let me just hit record and start spitting on the mic, you know what I mean? All right, got ourselves. It was yesterday. Go. You see? Okay. We actually made 455 on this. So we can see we actually made $400, 410 to be exact. That's how much we made except commissions, right? So that would be, how much would that be? Yeah, total profit is 450, but I lost $45 because I broke even. Well, not really broke even, but because like my M&Q trade was this. It was kind of like this. I was giving it a little bit of buffer room for it to just come back to this liquidity and then initially go back up, which initially that's what it did, right? It went back up like that. And look what happened. It went back up, right? So what I did was like after the break even, I switched to YM and see if I can get another setup, cause I only trade 2 trades a day, and that's why I always do, and I just aim for 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s, and this is what exactly happened. Is I aim for a 1 to 3, it hit, it always hit. You know what I mean? So once it breaks on a 15-minute candle, we got this resistance, that gives me enough confidence. Resistance right here, resistance right here, we got touch point right here, valid resistance. And once it breaks, I just need to take in the profits, right? Press the button, buy, put a stop loss over here, aim for what? Liquidity on the previous highs or the previous lows, if that's the case for you guys. And that's what I initially did, right? You can drop them to 5 minutes for you to be more detailed in terms of your entries. But that's how I initially made money with this trade. And the thing is, this is textbook, right? Like this is what I do every single day. And the more I don't focus on money, is the more I make money. Why? Because it's very, very counterintuitive, because we are in this industry, in finance, in trading, and we see money all the time fluctuating in the market. And the thing is, if you focus too much on the money, bro, you are chasing the outcome. You know what I mean? Which you should not be doing, because you don't know what's gonna happen next in this industry or in this charts. You don't know what's gonna happen in the market. You actually don't know. But what you can do and what you can control is your plan. How can I, when I see this, can I execute? Can I manage my trades? Can I manage my risk? Right? And that's how you're supposed to trade. And you should be thinking long term, not like, can I get rich right now because I'm down bad? Yes, like when I started trading, bro, like I was down bad. I was down bad, but the moment I switch my mindset into not being down bad for money, but actually loving the craft and loving the process and following the process over and over and improving it, so I have a favor to win. That's when it kind of hits, bro. And the moment you start loving the strategy, I'm I'm very big on the strategy first rather than the psychology, because if you don't have a strategy that is like feeding you good outcome in the market, and you have conviction because you've been seeing it every single day and you like it, you know what I mean? You like the strategy, well then you are in favor to improve your psychology by then, because you already is giving yourself a win on a strategy, because you're giving yourself conviction and you have confidence to press that button. And once you have confidence in pressing that button with that strategy that you like, not your typical ICT because you saw it in YouTube, you have to make your own strategy that your personality fits in. For my person, I'm very very momentum guy. You know what I mean? I see it, I gotta go get it. You know, if I see the money, that's it. I'm getting in. I'm not trying to wait for a pullback. No, bro. But you gotta ask yourself that if you're a slow guy, well then wait for a pullback. Maybe trade forex. No, I like YM because this is like trading LeBron James and Michael Jordan. You know what I mean? I'm trading YM and Q because it has the most volatility, and I like that. I like volatility, and it's fast. If you really want to get rich, bro, just like Qbank said, if you want to get rich, bro, trade US30, bro. You know, not literally get rich, but like if you have fast money or fast good volatility, bro, and it's more fun to trade, you gotta trade good pairs. You know, US30, NQ, gold, perhaps if you want. Like, bro, you got it. You know what I mean? But that's the thing, bro. I'm a very very transparent guy. I just want to document this until you guys see it, until you guys see me in a Lambo, until you guys see me posting new contents for me, like vlogging like Lambo Raul. And you guys are gonna see that, bro. I'm telling you, bro. People are gonna be making clips with this shit. Yo, this guy curves. He's just trading in his room. Now he's got a Lambo. Come on, bro. And that's a dream, bro. I'm Filipino, fam. And I always tell my grandma, I'm a Filipino, and I take into the pride, bro. I take it in as a prideful Filipino, a proud Filipino, and it's in our blood to work hard. But more importantly, we're working smart out here. We're not working hard. We're working very very smart as Filipinos. And my goal as a Filipino is to influence, this generation, Filipino wise, fucking white, black, anyone, bro. Mexicans, anyone. And that's my goal, bro. If you see this, and if you're still here watching this video, look, bro, just keep watching this video, these trade breakdowns, and you can learn this shit too. I'm telling you, you're gonna make money. You're gonna make money in this shit, bro. I'm rooting for you, bro. Same, bro, a year ago I was like struggling as well. I was struggling doing this shit. I was 2 years ago I was homeless. But no one cares about that. No one cares about me being on next to my coffin, bro. But I pulled myself back up, bro. I got no I got no handout. My parents are back home. My mom and dad is back home. I'm living alone, bro. I'm living alone since grade 11. I'm 19. I'm 19 and started barbering when I was what, 16? No, 15. I started barbering when I was 15, and that's what got me into hustling more and more. I started selling vegetables in the Philippines 8 years old. And I can still remember that, yo. Like my grandma, I was talking to my grandma earlier, like, yo, like, I have witnesses that I did that. You know, in the streets of Philippines, I was selling vegetables. I was hustling. I was selling, I don't know, candies. I was selling cigarettes. I was selling everything I could, bro. Just right after I go to school. And over here, when I came here in Canada, bro, I was a big opportunity, and I never knew I was gonna be in this spot. I never knew I was gonna be in this spot. Very, very fortunate, very blessed. You know, thank God for everything that I have right now, and especially with this skill. This skill is a lot scalable than just barbering. If you want to learn this skill, bro, you don't need no course, bro. I don't even have a Discord no more. You know, I don't even post on Discord. I'm just posting on this because I want to help out people who want to see it. You know what I mean? And once you see this, yo, give it a like, give it a subscribe. And if you guys want more videos like this, and this trade breakdowns, and me being transparent, and me talking about anything, just put down, comment, you know, anything that you want me to do in terms of creating content, I'll do it. Fuck it. You know what I mean? But as further ado, to the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.